What's good, YouTube? It's your boy JB, back with a new video. I know it's been a minute since I posted videos, but for this video I want to get back to my roots and do a sneaker video. The thing I'm about to show you guys right now is out of this world. I can't describe it in words. Y'all probably saw the thumbnails thinking, what are those? This shoe is none other than the Nike Tom Sachs Mars Yard Overshoe. So in this video I'm going to be reviewing these shoes, give you guys some detailed looks, and give you my favorite features and features that I don't like about the shoe. And most importantly, whether you should cop or drop. So this sneaker is pretty much a collaboration between Nike and an artist known as Tom Sachs. Some of you guys may be familiar with the first model that he dropped. It had more of a space theme. The design to me, the low top, was pretty cool. However, resale for this shoe is over $3 However, for this model, Nike and Tom Sachs went a whole complete different direction. It was pretty much designed for New York weather because the storms get really bad. So it keeps your feet insulated, keep them warm, keeps away from wetness, the cold, all of that good stuff. And now I'm about to give you guys a real in-depth view inside the shoes. Here we have the Mars Yard Overshoe. I must say the box is like one of the main standout features of it. I love how everything is written around the shoe. Now let's open up the box. On the tissue paper is really dope. Got different ways to tie a knot. You turn the page, you're gonna see a periodic table of elements. I feel like this is really fire. Like, I never liked chemistry, but this is just still dope to put on tissue paper. One thing I liked was the soles. In the box it had insoles with some more chemistry. Well, actually space terms. Looks really cool. See what's on the other foot. Yeah, and the solar system too. Real astronomical. There's some more graphics around the box on the inside and the paper that I don't really know what that is, but it's still dope to have. Closer look at that. Some more font, fire. Going into the shoe, you see we have a nylon material around the shoe. Look around, a little Nike swoosh right there, keep it original. Pull tabs on each side. A nylon material, keep your foot real warm and insulated. On the bottom, rubber sole for the grip. Don't want you slipping or sliding. That'll be pretty tragic. On the other side, we have your fasteners. Pull. You just gotta tighten it up. Really dope. Keep that foot locked in. Turn the shoe. And the tongue, drawstring and magnet. Snap back up. Snaps right back in. Inside of the shoe, something is hiding in there. Roll it over like them Uggs. Looking at the inside of the shoe, it looks like the sneaker is actually hidden in there. Pretty weird. If you look in, it's like the Mars Yard shoe, the first version. Let's pull up the tongue. Cork bottom, really nice material. So let's talk about what I like about this shoe and what I actually don't like. So what I like about this shoe is that it's really innovative. I've never seen a shoe like this before. I love when collaborations take a traditional shoe or idea and create something that we've never seen before. So that's definitely a plus for me. Another thing I like about the shoes is that they're really loud to make a statement. I love shoes that are really flashy. If you wear it the right way, you can definitely make heads turn and you can go out of style in the winter. Another thing I love about the shoe is the box. The box has so many details and things written on it, from the periodic table of elements to all types of other quotes on the box and the paper. It's so crazy. I've never seen that before. As a sneaker collector, I love to see shoe boxes and all other hidden details on shoes. That's definitely a plus for me. And now what I don't like about this shoe. What I don't like about this shoe, for one, is the price tag. This shoe retails at $550 before tax. You add the tax for New York and do the math, that shit costs the grip. Another thing I like about the shoe is that, unlike the first model that I just mentioned before, you can't really wear these year round. These you have to really wear if you're gonna go on a blizzard, gonna go climb a mountain, or you might even go to space on the moon. I actually wish that this shoe could detach like a jacket per se, like taking off a hoodie. Some people like Frank Ocean actually cut his shoes, and to me it looked pretty dope that way, but cutting this shoe, I don't have money, so once this is done, that's it. Honestly, despite me living in New York and having bad winters, I wouldn't cop this shoe. I personally can't justify spending $550 plus on a shoe that I can only wear in the winter. Unless you're like a reseller that you're gonna hold them and actually make some profit off in the future, I recommend copping. It's good to cop now because the pricing is not too high, but definitely in the future, these are gonna go up. Choice is yours. You can cop it to win, or you can cop, hold them to sell. which is something I probably might do, because as much as I like these, and I got my size, I don't really see myself wearing that. I probably throw on some Timbs and a Yankee fitted or something. Just kidding. Well, that's all I have for you guys today. Let me know in the comment section below if you cop the shoe, if you love the shoe, if you hate the shoe. Are you gonna hold? Are you gonna sell? Just let me know down below. Also, stay tuned for my video. I'm gonna be reviewing the Cactus Jack Air Jordan 1 next. Crazy shoe. You don't wanna miss that. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any heat. Gonna be dropping a lot of shoes this summer. And as always, thank you guys for watching. JB out. Peace.